Hey everyone, today we are doing Mail Time for Hat Not Hate. Hat Not Hate is an anti-bullying campaign that we started in 2018 and we are doing again in 2019. We are looking for 25,000 blue hats by August 1st. That's right, 25,000, you heard me, and I'll say it again, 25,000 blue hats, and we're looking for blue hats because blue is the anti-bullying color. Without you, this campaign does not exist. So I need to always call out what I'm calling my little blue soldiers out there. You guys are crafting away and you are making these hats with so much love and helping me communicate this campaign to hopefully the world, because I want to end bullying and you guys are helping me do that. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening some mail. So this first one here is from Joanne P. in Florida. Hey, see that? People always wonder if people are knitting and crocheting in Florida. They totally are, because Joanne is. That is one saucy big hat. I'm gonna put that on. Hey, we have Patty W. Oh, there's a little heart in here. Handmade from the heart. Hashtag Hat Not Hate with love by Ratty Patty. Some big hats here. I like this. We have Trish B. Again from Florida. Florida's showing up this year. Thank you. This is a nice long, this looks like some Heartland and some Woolies Thick and Quick. I know my yarn when I see it. Thank you so much. Let's see what we got going on in here. One lovely blue hat with a pom-pom. Everybody loves a pom. I love a pom. I'm happy to donate this hat for such a worthy cause. I am only crocheting for about 3 months. I got this design from YouTube. Regards and best wishes on this campaign. Susan, is this your first crochet project and you did it for Hat Not Hate? If so, yes, you are a champion and I love you. You rock, Susan. Ann R. from Illinois. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Dear Lion Brand, please find and close my donation to your Hat Not Hate campaign. This is a new effort for me this year. I recently became informed of it from a Facebook feed to me. And your efforts are making a difference. Your craft is making a difference just by doing what you did today. And thank you for helping me make a difference in Hat Not Hate. It's a box. It's a box, guys. We have a box. City Fritters. New York, you are local. Hi Shira and the Hat Not Hate team. FYI, not such a large team, but thank you for thinking that it is. I made these for the cause. Thank you for doing this for the kids. Happy to be a part of it. All the best, Amy. Instagram at City Fritters. You're awesome at City Fritters. 4 beautiful hats. Thank you very much for this. Ooh, Lighthouse Crochet. C. Jennings, this is coming from New York. Okay. Ooh. Hi Shira, love having the chance to help you in your quest towards eradicating bullying. Here's 11 blue hats, all different shades, and no 2 are alike. Cheryl, you get the award for the nicest packaged hats I've ever seen in my life. Look, oh my God. The tags, the bows, look at, she really wasn't kidding. What? You're out of control. I love this. This is, wow. Laura S. from New York. Dear Shira, thank you for being a voice for those who cannot speak for themselves. In the Bible, Proverbs 31:8 says, speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Ensure justice for those being crushed. And this is what you are doing. Thank you. I know the Lord is with you. It is a blessing for me to be a part, though it is just one hat, of something so big and noble. With all my support and with all blessings, Laura S. Laura, thank you so much for your note. I really appreciate it. And it's also you that has the voice too, because you can spread this message using the hashtag #HatNotHate. You can post about it, you can share it with your friends, because I believe that 10 times out of 10, there's at least one person in your group of friends that doesn't know about this and that is crafty or that knows crafty people, and we can spread this message. So you are just as much as a voice as I am, and thank you very much for your beautiful blue hat. Thank you guys for sending in your hats. Remember, the deadline for the blue hats is August 1st. We are looking for 25,000. It's a lot, I know, but I believe that we can do it. Share a picture of you wearing a blue hat or the blue hats that you've completed. Maybe watching this video today has inspired you to make a blue hat, or maybe even you saw your hat today and you're like, that's not enough, I gotta make more. We will take it. We are looking for 25,000 blue hats. And then in October, we are going to distribute them to schools around the country for National Bullying Prevention Month. My goal is to inspire and to empower these kids across the country that they can stand up to bullies. And you have helped them do that. Keep on sharing the Hat Not Hate message. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell anyone and everyone that we want to get 25,000 blue hats, and I cannot make it happen without your help. So thank you, thank you, thank you to everyone that I called out today. My heart is blue for you, and I love you, and I appreciate you, and just keep on doing what you're doing. You guys are wonderful. Hat Not Hate.